friends. We're all friends.
I mean, I know we don't talk, but I hope you have a wonderful... Oh, that's
yeah.
so cute.
I don't remember this.
Is it on?
Yeah. Hello. I'm
Hi.
still in AD. What's AD?
Ad.
What's that? What's AD?
I don't
Why
know.
are
I
you...
don't know what's AD. What's ad? Oh, he has an ad running.
Oh,
I think. Yeah.
Oh. Fair enough.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh my god, Snowball's on. With 83 followers.
Holy shit, she got
I'll give
huge.
her a hello after her ad.
I'd finished. Well, it's good to that big board's always here.
Yeah. Big boys always first.
How are we?
We're good.
Good. We're maybe the Sydney guys. Oh,
A guy.
guy. So cute.
Oh shit, random cat. Is that what she's making? We should do that.
Oh yeah. What are we
Very
talking about?
Yeah.
Well, not as a business though.
Oh shit, I can't hear her. I need to get my earphones. Yeah.
In 2 weeks. 2 or 3 weeks. I don't know yet. We're gonna go to Homebush. And that's me telling everyone where we're gonna live. Hello, Bunny.
Oh hi.
How are you? Have you still been following K-pop? It's Pony. Apparently he's literally about to sign off and sleep. She's not even listening to you. I'm lucky I checked your squad. Well, welcome. I think you should just go to sleep because we're gonna do nothing.
Hi Pony. Oh my gosh, what's
Look how
up?
delayed she is.
Sorry, I was talking to Snurdle.
Hey, Ophelia. Hey,
Hey,
wait.
oh Thea, hey. Oh, you graduated? Congrats.
As in high school or uni?
Uni. Is it college? Was he doing math thing?
I thought Benny was really young.
He was. Before he was doing some math thing. Oh, it's Jorge.
Who's
Hello.
Jorge?
It's Bernie's friend.
Oh, hi.
Or is it George?
Everyone seems familiar, but I can't remember. Is Ophelia the one who's always on? What's her face? Oh, what's her name?
Jolene?
Yeah, Jolene stream, right?
No, isn't that the other one? Suyu? Z2?
No, but was it Ophelia always on Jolene as well?
Is he? I don't think so. I don't know, actually. I don't remember.
What's up,
I
man?
think they're friends. Oh shit, I totally missed her reply. I guess I just won't talk to her anymore.
Luna, come back. I never followed Luna.
Isn't Luna a bit young for us?
Yeah, I think a lot of them are really young now. I've been on CC's stream. Who the hell is CC's?
Sisu. Is that your one? The Susie? I mean, not Susie. The girl who we...
Oh, that chick. That who
Yeah.
plays League.
Yeah, I think so,
Yeah. The Korean chick, right?
Yeah, Susu.
Did she stream? I thought she stopped streaming for a while.
I don't know. Didn't really follow her, honestly.
Oh,
You play League?
let's all play.
Yeah, let's
League.
all play. I bought a new PC,
Oh,
as
yeah.
you all may know.
She's gonna be a gaming streamer.
I'm not gonna stream it, but I'll be a gamer.
Yeah, I'm not gonna see her ever again. Hi,
Oh, you
Sarah.
didn't know? Oh, that's because you weren't here yesterday. I don't know why, but yeah, I did. Let's play some games together, Pony. Let's play,
Let's play Gartic Phone.
Oh yeah, can we play Gartic Phone? Like, sometime now?
Wait, together?
Sometime. I love Gartic Phone. Min's so bad at it though.
No,
She's actually so bad at
It's cause I run out of time, guys.
Oh my god.
Dude, I didn't have soap draw so intensely on. Oh wait, yeah.
Really?
Were you on your iPad last
No,
night?
that
Oh
was,
shit.
um,
Okay.
That was John.
Your trackpad.
John was on it.
Oh, I
Okay.
bet you and Jackie were really good at drawing. I'm
Thank you.
surprised by how good Jackie was, to be
Jackie
honest.
was so good. I was
Yeah,
so shocked
right?
as well.
I was
yeah.
so shocked.
But he did say he was good at art back in the day. Gothic what? Gartic Phone.
Gartic Phone. It's like
It's like
Google I.O. but on drugs.
It's like Squirrel IO but Chinese whispers.
It's actually like a lot more fun, I think, to be honest.
Then School.io.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't think School.io is that fun, honestly.
Yeah, I think it's fun.
I think I'm just too good at it.
Wow. But she's really good at drawings. It's kind of bullshit.
No, I mean I'm good at guessing for School.io because I type fast.
It's a drawing game. Don't fall for the trap.
It's a
Yeah, it is.
fun drawing game though.
Okay.
You don't need to know how to draw.
Yeah, I mean, you'll end up like me though.
I think you're bad at guessing. You always like say dumb stuff.
What
when
do you
guess.
mean? No, I
Like,
like.
man find